Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make taco meat like Taco Bell. First, gather your ingredients: 1 pound of ground beef, 1 packet of taco seasoning, and 3/4 cup of water. You will also need a large skillet and a spatula. This method is straightforward and delivers delicious results, perfect for your next taco night. Let's get started with browning the beef. Now, place your ground beef in the large skillet over medium-high heat. As it cooks, use your spatula to break the meat into very fine, uniform crumbles. This is key for that classic fast food texture. Continue browning until all the pink is gone. Once fully cooked, carefully drain any excess grease from the skillet. This step ensures your taco meat isn't too oily. With the beef browned and drained, it's time to add the flavor. Pour in 1 packet of taco seasoning and 3/4 cup of water. Stir everything together until the seasoning is evenly distributed throughout the meat. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the sauce to thicken and infuse the meat. After simmering, your taco meat should be perfectly seasoned, finely crumbled, and coated in a rich, savory sauce. It's now ready to be served. Spoon this delicious meat into warm tortillas, add your favorite toppings like lettuce, cheese, and tomatoes, and enjoy. This easy method truly captures that familiar, satisfying taste, making your homemade tacos a hit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.